Lunar Crater Radio Telescope Prototype 008 is a prototype of an anchor system simulated by a 10-inch decking nail powered by a power screwdriver to be installed at the JSC Rockyard Planetary Analog Test System, which is mostly inhabited by deer. 3 lunar crater simulations are present at the Rockyard. Here, the prototype is trying to be installed in the lunar surface simulation unsuccessfully. The nail will go down about 3 inches into the lunar surface and then it stops. The power of the hand drill is not sufficient to be able to drive the deck screw into the surface. You can see this in detail in this, the 9th test, where the screw goes in a couple inches and stops. But at another place in the soil, it finds a soft set of soil underneath the gravel of the lunar simulant, and the deck screw can be screwed in all the way. With the deck screw installed all the way, the strength seems sufficient for the other parts of the Lunar Crater Radio Telescope prototype to be used at the rocket, and the screw can be removed and reused.